New to TikTok? We're here to show you the ropes. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to follow and unfollow other users on TikTok. Now let's get started. There are a couple different ways you can follow people on TikTok. If you're scrolling through the For You page and come across someone you'd like to follow, tap the plus sign below their profile picture to follow them quickly and easily. If there's a specific person you'd like to follow, tap Search at the bottom. Type in their name or username to search for them. When their profile appears in the search results, tap it to go to their page. To follow that user, tap the Follow button. Videos and stories from people you follow on TikTok will appear in your following feed. This makes it easy to keep up with new content from everyone you follow on TikTok. If you ever want to unfollow someone, you can go to their profile by searching their name in the same way, then tap the Following button. To unfollow multiple people quickly and easily, go to your own TikTok profile, tap Following, then tap Following beside the name of any user you no longer wish to follow. That's all it takes to follow and unfollow other users on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.